Hi guys, welcome back to Otter's RC Garage. So today we're going over to a friend's house. He's got a brand new Traxxas Slash. We're gonna do a top speed run and see how fast it goes. As you guys can see, we're bringing along ours as well. We got a Nitro T-Max here and our 16th scale Mini Revo. So we'll see you guys over at his house. This is the Traxxas Slash I was talking about. This is a four-wheel drive Traxxas Slash. Right now, it just has the battery that it came with. This is the new version that has the headlights on it and also taillights there in the rear. We have hooked up a GPS to this, a normal GPS unit. Like I said, this is an out-of-the-box Traxxas Slash four-wheel drive. It's got the nickel metal battery and our 12-turn brushed motor. So we're gonna get a base speed on this, and then we're gonna swap over to a Lipo battery, and I'll show you guys how to switch this ESC over to Lipo mode. And once we're in Lipo mode, we'll see what the difference is. All right, here we go. Top speed in the Slash 4x4. Alright, and the big reveal. Hudson, what do you think top speed is? You said about 20?
Maybe.
Maybe? I'm going to say like 15.
15 to 20.
Alright, your average is 10.8. Max speed, 17.6. Alright, let's get that Lipo in there. So we got a 3S Lipo. It's going to step the voltage up and also Lipo power. Let's see if we can up that into the 20s. All right, so here's our 3S battery. It's a 5200. Like I said, an 11.1. It's charged up to about 12.6 right now, full charge. We got an adapter so we can keep our Traxxas warranty. And let's see how she does. Okay, so guys, to switch to a Lipo mode, make sure your controller is on. We are on green light, and this will be red because we're actually in nickel metal mode. So we'll turn the ESC on. Oh, maybe.
Are you sure that's proper enough?
Hold on, guys. So guys, I was gonna show you how to turn this into Lipo mode, and we just figured something out. The XL5 receiver that we have, or motor controller we have, is only 2S capable, so up to about 8 volts, not the 11 that we have plugged into it. So it's probably a good thing it didn't turn itself on. So sorry guys, we're gonna have to actually wait until we go to brushless, and we'll get you a speed run. We go brushless and Lipo with a 3S. I guarantee you we're gonna be faster. I'm betting 30s at that point.
30s or 40s.
So we'll get back at you guys once we get the conversion done. It'll probably be in about a week. So we are back on another day. So we ended up actually blowing up that that ESC, trying to plug the 3S into it. So we're not able to get a brushed run for whatever reason. The motor that Hudson got actually was too big of a pinion for the gear that we had. So to keep things fair and keep the same pinion gear size, we went with this 540 that's actually going to be used on a project that's coming up. I haven't talked to you guys about yet. So sneak peek of the motor being used. The ESC is the one that he's going to be using. Right now we're running it on 2S Lipo. We're going to let him get warmed up on it. I already got the GPS on there. So we'll let him get warmed up, and then he'll do a straight full-on run, and we'll see how it does on 2S. And then afterwards we do have a 3S going in.
Oh.
So let's see how she runs. Well, I'd say it definitely has got some more get up and go. More acceleration. I don't know about top speed. What do you think top speed's gonna be?
25?
You think 25? All right, let's pop it off and let's see. That was a pretty good straight down run, so Should definitely have recorded. Woo, you're close. We got 22.7 max. So with 2S, just bumping up 2S, we got the same ratio. Pretty comparable brushless motor, I believe. And it's nice and cool. So we're gonna bump it up to the 3S. Ready? And boom. We're at 3S. So let's get the body back on and we will get another top speed run. And first trigger pull on 3S. Holy! I think that scared him. You're gonna have to bleep that out.
Oh my god!
Can you control it enough to keep a top speed?
I don't know.
Landed on his wheels. I think I'll have no problem breaking it now. Let's see if I still got my GPS on there.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
After that flip.
Keep it.
Well, the GPS is missing, so we're gonna go for a walk. Hopefully it's down here.
Wait, so did it flip over this whole driveway?
Yeah, I think you hit this here and just went flying. Yep, I see it.
Shit, I'm sorry.
And we got in the 30s, 34.9.
30s with it flipping and being out of control.
Woo. So damage assessment. Motor is warming up just a little bit, but it's running pretty good. ESC is going good. These slashes are pretty tough. He's rolled it, flipped it, everything else. We did lose our GPS, but so guys, I know we said it'd probably be a while, but we went and did it. We got our 550 size brushless, I believe it's like a 3800 kV rated. We ended up 4800 kV rating on 3S, and we stepped up to a 19 tooth pinion. So this should be quite a bit faster of a run. So let's get the GPS turned on. We'll get it synced up. And since I'm a little better at driving in a straight line, I'm gonna be controlling the car. So
we don't lose the GPS.
So we
fifth time.
Yeah, so we don't lose it again. All right, GPS is on. Let's get the body on. You got your controller on. Controller's on.
It is now. Do. Dude, I want one that'll do like the James Bond theme song. Come on, where's that? There it is.
Turn it on, it just starts playing.
Yeah, GoldenEye. But then I feel like I'd have to like paint this thing chrome.
Gold chrome.
Gold chrome, that'd be good.
Oh,
That front end doesn't want to stay down.
all right. Let's pop the body off here. What are you guessing?
I'm guessing at least 46.
I'm gonna guess it in
Or
the
wait,
40s.
what was our last one?
Our last one was 35.
35, so at least 40, yeah. 40 exact.
40
40.6.
exact. Woo!
On and off.
I think so. Get behind the car. Get behind the car.
Get behind the car.
Yep. Stay there. The one thing you had to miss. The
only thing I had to miss. Oh my god. Oh dude, I fucked it up. I broke it bad.
He was like,
Oh no. Let's see.
Oh my god, it's gone.
Not too bad. You just. Wow.
Oh wow, did those just pop out and that's it?
Yeah, dude. All you did, well, you bent this shock. This shock is bent. This shock is like an S. That one's still straight, but it did pop the cap off. Wow, dude. That took it.
Yeah, it did.
Wow. Wait, let's look underneath. Let's look underneath. Anything? Missing a screw, but I think you were missing those screws.
Yeah, I was already missing those ones.
Broke the arm.
Ah.
Broke the arm. That's all right. You got extras.
Got extras right here.
Right there.
I came prepared.
All right, guys. That was great. I think honestly, I think 19 tooth might be a little bit too much. I think you'd gain a little bit probably by stepping down to about a 15 or a 14. But
that'll be next time then.
40 miles an hour. It's really starting to balloon these tires, and I think that's really about as much as you can do with the tires
Stock
that it
tires.
has. Yeah, this is gonna be quite a ripper. So I hope you guys like that little bit extra. We went a little bit farther, found some gear and whatnot here locally, and got it done. So hope you guys like that. Like I said, like and subscribe. See you guys next week.